You aren't just watching a video. You are stepping onto a bridge between what we know and what we can only imagine beneath your feet. This path of glowing white light is steady, even though it's suspended in a purple nebula billions of miles wide. Why are we here? Because the universe is too big to be just cold rocks and empty space. Look closer. In the reflection of this visor, you don't see a camera or a studio. You see the swirling birth of a galaxy. This is the part of the lessons of space frequency. The entire universe lives inside your perception. If you can dream it, it exists somewhere in the quantum foam of reality. In this place, time doesn't tick, it flows. Like a river of liquid clocks winding through the vacuum, time is fluid. It slows down near giants and speeds up in the void. We think we are slaves to the 2-4-hour day. But in the cosmic sense, time is just a melody. The universe is humming to itself. We were told the beginning was an explosion, a violent bang. But what if it was a blooming? What if the universe started as a giant flower of light, petals of matter and energy unfolding to fill the darkness? We aren't the debris of a crash. We are the seeds of a garden. It's easy to feel small out here, but surrealism teaches us that we can bring our comfort with us. Why shouldn't there be a Victorian red velvet sofa in the middle of a star field? You are allowed to feel at home in the infinite. Your consciousness is the most sophisticated thing in the galaxy. It deserves a comfortable seat. And as we sit, something watches back. Science calls it a black hole, a point of no return. But look at that golden iris. To the surrealist, the black hole is the eye of the universe, observing itself. It doesn't just swallow light, it drinks an experience. It is the ultimate witness. Even the planets have a job to do. Look at Saturn. Those aren't just rings of ice. They are intricate golden gears. Every rotation, every orbit is part of a grand, celestial clockwork. The universe is a machine, yes, but it is a machine built for beauty. Deep in the Eagle Nebula, the pillars of creation rise. Are they just gas clouds, or are they the translucent hands of an architect, reaching out to mold new suns from the dust? Everything you see is being held by forces we are only beginning to understand. In this world, even the most terrifying things can be tamed. A comet, a frozen wanderer that could end a world, becomes a pet on a leash of light. It's a reminder that knowledge turns fear into friendship. When we understand the stars, we no longer fear the night. And beneath the surface of every dead rock, there is a secret. Some planets crack open like eggs, revealing neon jungles that defy biology. This is the content gap of the soul. The belief that there is always more life, more color, and more magic waiting just beneath the crust. So, what do we do with this vastness? We play. We sit on the crescent moon and fish for stars, catching the light of ancient suns. We watch giant whales made of pure water swim through gas clouds as if the vacuum were an ocean. If the universe is a playground, why are we so stressed about the small things on Earth? Even work changes here. At a floating desk, typing on holograms, we realize that our productivity is just a way of organizing stardust. We watch the hourglass, but the sand isn't dust, it's miniature stars. Every second that passes is a sun being born or dying. Use your time wisely. The universe is full of doors. You can stand in the coldest void and open a door to a sunny beach. You can walk through fields of sunflowers where every flower head is a living planet. Reality is a choice. You can choose to see the void, or you can choose to see the garden. We catch shooting stars like butterflies. We drink the Milky Way from a cosmic mug, realizing that the galaxy is as warm and familiar as a morning cup of coffee. This is Cosmic Surrealism, bringing the infinite down to a human scale so we can finally taste it. We ride the energy of the sun. We visit libraries where books fly like birds, carrying the wisdom of civilizations that haven't even been born yet. Information isn't trapped in paper. It is alive, soaring through the space between thoughts. We are not alone. We sit for tea with beings made of light, realizing that alien is just a word for a friend we haven't met. We watch waterfalls of light pour from one planet to another, a constant exchange of energy that keeps the heart of the universe beating. We are the painters. We are the players of the giant chess game. And when we look through the telescope to see the furthest edge of space, what do we see? We see ourselves. The universe is a mirror. If you look with love, you see beauty. If you look with curiosity, you see wonder. As we walk through the forest of glowing jellyfish, we look back at our home. From here, Earth doesn't look like a place of borders or conflict. It looks like a Christmas ornament, fragile, glowing, and precious. It is the most beautiful thing in the forest. The bridge is ending now. Our astronaut waves goodbye, but he isn't leaving you. He is just moving to the next frequency. Reach out, touch that final spark of light. That spark is an idea. That spark is your next creation. Keep your eyes on the stars and your heart in the dream. This is Space Frequency. We'll see you in the next dimension.